make money for that, because guys, infrastructure full of game, not full, but you got some really big games like Allies, for example. But DEXs, it's really open. For example, Kookoo, you want DEX, it's easy to start.
Right.
And we got so many things that you're able to do on top of the Chromia. So build product, it's number one for all of us, for you, because you're able to build your own crypto business.
It's like basically plug and play, because you don't have other like language to understand. If you're used to building on EVM, then you just basically just transfer to RELL, and then you'll easily understand the language.
Yeah, it's not transfer. You're gonna write it. But we show in courses how easy it could be. I mean, it's much faster, as we explain to EVM developers how you can, with understanding your EVM conceptions, you can write on RELL.
Right. So you mentioned EVM. For the sake of our viewers here, EVM is Ethereum Virtual Machine.
Yes.
Right. So that's the that's what they use when developers are wants to build a decentralized app.
It's just a start. Yeah. You not only learn, but you help us as a company to test our product. It's a huge product. It's a lot of code and different pieces that we need to release. And using that Questnet, we test our infrastructure, and you not just learn, you helps us. It's quite
basically you want us to break things, right?
Yes.
So you can build it better, and you can prepare for the bigger things, right?
Yes, you can try break as a hacker, as a Web3 user, and not only break but build too. It's a really good question. Relational database, it's some basic, it's core of internet itself, right? So it's Postgres, MySQL, and etc. And we use it in billions of different sites. And we found so, I would say, simple but so unique idea to use relational blockchain. I mean, we're absolutely sure that it's good. We approve it through a billion of cases, and we use blockchain. And on top of that relational blockchain, we use special language that not the same, but could be understandable for SQL people who know SQL. SQL it's a special language to query and do some transactions to databases. I mean, because you would have your own resources, it's a really killer feature. That you're not connected with a main network, and it's not touch you even. You got own solution. So your scaling is pretty huge, and we've got so many nodes for you. Just come and rent. If you need I don't know, a few hundred TPS, you can run few nodes and play. I mean, few hundred TPS, it's a good amount, a good number for really big DEX. I mean, so
there's a lot of transactions, especially when you're on a DEX or a decentralized exchange.
Yes, that's what I mean. For example, 200 transactions per second. Let's calculate. It's 12,000 per minute, and and 24. It's 17 million transactions per day.
Wow.
It would be really good DEX and you would be really happy to have it.
Right.
I'm not sure if you know about problems with Ethereum, but sometimes, especially when Ethereum grows, transaction could cost you $150. I remember, and instead of
so expensive, yeah.
Yes, it's crazy expensive. And in Chromia, it's free.
Right.
I mean,
it's really hard to scale a platform if the transaction fees are very expensive.
So yeah, as far as I mentioned, I really fall in love in the blockchain. When I start at Chromia, it started for me from interview. It was technical interview with really good experts, but mostly I fall in love because Chromia's RELL language. It's a special language that we use to work with a blockchain. And after I absolutely with the company and want to share that ideas.
When it comes to like translating, the technicalities into a layman's term or simplest word that people can, understand and really get to know about the details of a complex thing. So I think that's the thing that we share together. We like to translate all these technicalities, all these complexities into simple terms, so people can understand what we are doing or what we are building. So you're actually teaching developers on how to understand and use RELL language so they can build on Chromia, right?
Yes. Especially it would be easy for you as EVM developer who use Solidity. It would be just like that.